Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little scarf for your leggy frog, and it has this cute little detail that has little hearts in it. So this is the tiny hearts scarf. So for this little project we're going to be using a size 6 bulky crochet yarn, and yep, just a size 6 super bulky blanket yarn. I'm going to be using a gray and pink. I think pink is my main color and gray for my little hearts. And you'll also need a 6mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a yarn needle. And I think that is it. So if y'all are ready to get started, let's see here. We're gonna start with my main color, which I decided is pink. Uh-oh, where's the end here? Here it is. Okay. And with this main color, I'm going to make a little slip knot, and I'm going to chain 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Halfway there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And once you've got 40 chains, we're going to skip the first chain and go into the second chain and make a single crochet, just like this. And now we are ready to grab our second color, the color that we're going to be making our little hearts out of, and I'm going to show you how we do something called the tiny heart single crochet. So you can use this with any single crochet little pattern that you're doing. So this is kind of a cool little stitch to learn. So what you're going to do is insert your hook into the next stitch, and you're actually going to draw up a loop of your second color. Draw up a loop, and now just leave that back there. You're going to grab your main color once again, yarn over, and bring through both loops. Now if you notice, you can pull that just a little bit, you've made a little V out of just your second color. So now we're going to go back to first color, main color, and we're going to single crochet into the next stitch. And you can crochet on top of these ends to cover them up. We're just going to insert our hook into the next chain, and under those other yarns also draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. So we've just done a regular crochet with our main color. Now you can see we've got one cute little heart-shaped V right there. Now we're just going to alternate that all the way down. So now we're going back to second color, and remember, you only do half of the single crochet. So you insert your hook and draw up a loop of your second color, and then with your first color, so you've done half of your single crochet, then you complete it with your regular color, yarn over and pull on through. So that's made just another little V right there, which you can't really see until you do your second crochet. So main color, let's see, because that gives you the other side that makes your V a little more clear. Let's see. There we go. So now you can see we've got two little heart shapes in there. Oh, and now you just continue that on down, all right? So with, let's see, we've done our main color. Now we're going to do our heart color. So insert your hook and draw up a loop of your second color. Then yarn over with main color and draw through. and then just single crochet with main color. And now we'll go with heart color. Insert your hook, draw up, oopsies, insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over with main color, and pull on through. And just continue on down, and I'm continuing to crochet on top of the ends to kind of cover them up as we go. And you can see the back just looks crazy, but you're never going to see that. You're only going to see the pretty side of Mr. Frog's scarf, okay? Now let's make another heart. So insert our hook into the next chain, draw up a loop of heart color, yarn over with main color, and pull on through. And now with main color, just make it regular single crochet. So this is the tiny heart single crochet, and like I said, you can actually add tiny hearts into any single crochet project that you're making. So if you were making like pot holders or a scarf for yourself and it was made out of all single crochets, you could grab a second color and add tiny hearts to it. Isn't that cute? Sometimes I think the hearts look like little butterflies, which is also adorable, but we're going for hearts here. There we go. And if you find that they're not shaped exactly like a perfect little heart, so you can kind of like tug your yarn just a little bit to get the right shape, but looking pretty good. All right, let's make another heart. And at the end of this, you'll have 39 stitches. And you'll have little hearts in between each one of your regular stitches. Here we go. So insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over with regular, pull through, and then one regular crochet and one heart crochet, one regular crochet. And one heart crochet and one regular crochet. And just continue on down, and I will meet you guys at the end. Actually, we're almost there. Let's see, let's take a look at how we're looking here. If some of your hearts look a little wonky, just give it a little tug. Make it look a little more like a heart. Unless you like it to look like a butterfly, then you can pull your V's apart and they separate a little bit and look like butterflies. So cute. Oh, so pretty. Love it. All right, and we've got, let's see, almost halfway done. Let's see, actually I think we're over halfway done. Let's make a little heart and then a single crochet. And then make a little heart and then single crochet. And then make a little heart and single crochet. Make a little heart and single crochet, tiny heart, single crochet, and single crochet, tiny heart, single crochet, single crochet, And on my last two, so tiny heart single crochet, then the very last one is just a regular single crochet. All right, awesome. Now you can pull out your yarn and cut your ends. Leave your ends just a little bit long so that we can weave them in, and leave your main color yarn a little bit long, a couple of inches, because I'm going to show you how you can make it so that you can leave it on your frog, like, or you can pull it on and off, or you can stitch it onto him to make it permanent. It's up to you, but either way you need this piece of yarn just a little bit long. So we're going to weave in our ends just by bringing them up under your single crochets. So just find a little end there and just weave them on through. Bring them on up if you can find the bottoms of your single crochets. And do that with main color, and then again with your accent color. And just weave it under your little, under the bottoms of your single crochets for just a couple of stitches. Just make sure that didn't mess up your hearts. Good, looks good. Okay, now these short ends I'm just going to trim off. Chop and chop, and then I should have another one up here from our beginning accent color chop. All right, now, oh, it looks so cute. Mr. Frog, are you so excited to have another scarf to add to your little collection? He's got quite the wardrobe going on. What about your frog? Does your frog have a good wardrobe going on? So this longer piece of yarn, I'm gonna run it up, oh, I don't know, let's see, 4 inches maybe, something like that. So run it up, because this is going to be the piece that you use to either stitch it onto your frog or to stitch it so that the scarf is kind of like a necklace that can go on and off. So let's bring it up to about a fourth of the way up our scarf is about good. Okay, because now if you see Froggy, he's got this scarf that he can pull on and off because I've put a little stitch there to hold it together. And that way if you want to change your accessories, it's easy peasy. So let's grab another Froggy, and you want to see about where you want your scarf to end, or where you want it to connect. So about there, and we're about there. So all you need to do now is wherever you've left off, just bring your yarn up and then stitch it over to the other piece of your scarf. I'm going to bring it up here. And then just bring it back down through both layers. And that's it. So once you've got it where you want it, now you just want to take this end and weave it in a little bit more, or you can tie it or whatever you like, but I just weave it down through a little bit more and then chop the end. And then you've got a nice little removable scarf for your Froggy. Mine's quite the fashionista. He likes to change his accessories a lot. So now, there we go. Now you can just put it on and off your little Froggy. All right, what do you think, Mr. Frog? Do you like this scarf? The gray almost looks like the green. It's very matchy-matchy. See the little hearts? Oh, look at these warm and cozy Froggies. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, you can get this pattern in the link below if you prefer a written copy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.